Look at this guy. He has managed to convince the entire world that this is the right decision. But he hasn't convinced himself. The very second before the leap of faith, he's confused if this is the right decision. We can't blame him. We humans aren't exactly designed to adapt to quick changes. But even then as he walked around in the airport, he's seeing all these people who has their shit figured out and is wondering, how come I haven't figured it out? But despite this, he kept moving forward. But as he walked around in the airport, he started noticing people who are fidgeting with their passports, who are shaking their legs with anxiety. And he realized that after all, not everyone has figured their shit out. And he's not alone in this anxiety trip of his. And this thought gave him a lot of comfort. And after all, ignorance is bliss. And then he's decided, just keep moving forward, just keep moving forward. So he just took a deep breath and decided, get be bold.